What is the verb to be? The verb to be is used to talk about who we are, how we feel, where we are, what something is. In the present tense, to be has three forms: am, is, are. Verb to be, present simple, positive form. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. Negative form. I am not. You are not. He is not. She is not. It is not. You are not. We are not. They are not. Questions with to be. Put the verb before the subject. Am I late? Are you okay? Is she your friend? Are they students? Easy examples. Beginner story. I am a student. I am learning English. English is new for me, but it is interesting. My teacher is patient. We are learning every day. I am not afraid. I am ready to grow. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.